What are the different types of organizational culture? There are many types and many models of organizational culture. Now let's look at different types of culture within Quinn's competing values model. Along one axis of this model is structure, or the degree to which an organization values stability versus flexibility. Along the other axis is focus, or the degree to which an organization has an inward focus on the organization itself, or an outward focus on customers, suppliers, and competitors. These two dimensions create 4 types of culture: clan, adhocracy, hierarchy, and market cultures. A clan culture values flexibility and has an inward focus. These organizations tend to be cohesive, friendly, and encouraging of development. They care about their people and serve as an extended family. Nonprofit organizations and schools might have this type of culture. Adhocracy cultures also value flexibility, but with an outward focus. These organizations tend to be competitive, creative, and encouraging of the entrepreneurial spirit. People feel free to experiment and share ideas. This type of culture is essential in changing business environments. Apple and Google have these types of cultures, and it's common in the consulting and technology industries as well. Hierarchy cultures, on the other hand, value stability and have an inward focus. These organizations are structured, controlled, and efficient. Its people respect power and position, and they follow its procedures. Large organizations and the United States government and military have this type of culture. Market cultures value stability and have an outward focus. These organizations are driven by results and performance, and they pay attention to their customers' needs and feedback. They encourage competition with other businesses and between employees. The authors found that new organizations often start in the adhocracy box, evolve to be a clan, then a hierarchy culture, and end as a market culture. To apply this model, learn about your organization's culture, how it impacts work behavior, and whether it contributes to high performance. When planning a major change, think about how the culture might help or hinder your efforts, and think about what cultural changes might need to take place to maintain high performance.